They grabbed his only good jacket, the bright red one his dying father gave him, laughed as they threw it into the mud, stomped on it, called him trash while he tried to save it. He was 14, and that day broke something inside him. But it also lit a fire. He promised himself, "I'll make it so big, they'll never laugh again." 15 years later, he drove back to the school reunion in a custom red suit worth $10,000. And what he did when he saw those same bullies went viral for the most beautiful reason. Stay till the end, because the final moment will give you goosebumps. His name was Ethan Hayes. Growing up in a small town, Ethan's family struggled. His dad was a factory worker who got sick when Ethan was 12. The medical bills drained everything. His dad's last gift before passing was a bright red jacket, his favorite color. "It'll keep you warm, son," he said weakly, "and remind you to stay strong." Ethan wore that jacket everywhere. It was his armor, his connection to his dad. But at school, it made him a target. The bullies were led by Jake and his group, rich kids with new clothes every season, latest phones, expensive sneakers. They called Ethan poor boy and worse. Pushed him in hallways. Stole his lunch money. The worst day came in winter. Ethan was walking home when Jake and his friends surrounded him. Jake grabbed the red jacket. "This ugly thing? Looks like trash, just like you." They threw it into a muddy puddle. Stomped on it. Laughed as Ethan begged them to stop. He dove into the mud to save it, crying. They filmed it on their phones. Posted it online with captions like, "Poor kid loves his garbage jacket." Ethan walked home soaked, jacket ruined. His mom tried to clean it, but the stains never fully came out. He kept it anyway, hung in his closet as a reminder. That day changed him. He stopped talking much. Focused everything on studying. Worked weekends at a local garage. Saved every cent. Got scholarships. Studied fashion design because clothes had hurt him, he wanted to master them. He started small, custom jackets online. His designs were bold. Unique. One went viral on social media. Celebrities wore them. Orders flooded in. By age 29, Ethan's brand was worth millions. He became a famous designer, known for luxury red pieces inspired by that old jacket. But he never went back to his hometown. Until the 15-year high school reunion invitation came. He decided it was time. He flew in privately. Had a custom red suit made, $10,000 Italian fabric, perfect fit, deep crimson with subtle embroidery of his dad's initials inside. He arrived at the reunion in a luxury car. Walked into the gym wearing that red suit, powerful, confident, unrecognizable at first. People whispered, "Who's that?" Then Jake, now a mid-level salesman, struggling a bit, recognized him. His face went pale. Ethan smiled and greeted old classmates kindly. Many apologized quietly when they realized who he was. The principal asked him to say a few words. Ethan took the mic. 15 years ago, some of you made my life hell. You threw my red jacket, the last gift from my dying father, into the mud. Laughed while I cried trying to save it. That jacket is still in my closet today. Stained. But it's the reason I'm standing here. The room was silent. He continued. I turned that pain into my brand. Every red piece I design honors my dad, and reminds me where I came from. I didn't come here for revenge. I came to give back. He revealed a large check, $200,000, for the school. New uniforms for any student who can't afford them. And a scholarship fund for kids from tough homes. Plus, he had boxes brought in. Brand new red jackets, high quality, warm, for every current student in need. Teachers cried. Students cheered. Then he looked at Jake and the old bullies. They looked ashamed. Ethan walked over. Jake, you were the worst. But I forgive you. Life's too short to carry hate. Jake broke down. Apologized through tears. They hugged. The moment was filmed by someone. Went viral, 60 million views. Comments, "This is the ultimate glow up." Red suit revenge, but with kindness. Ethan still designs today. His signature red pieces sell out instantly. And every year, he sends new jackets to his old school with a note. Wear this with pride. No one can take your strength. That stained old jacket? He framed it in his office. A reminder. What breaks you can also make you. If this story gave you chills and showed you the power of turning pain into purpose, hit like, subscribe to Kind Heart Tales for more epic comeback stories every day. Turn on notifications. And share this with someone who's going through bullying or hard times right now. Thank you for watching till the end. Your red suit moment is coming. Keep going. See you in the next story. Red Heart.